Looking for the best camping stove to fuel your outdoor adventures? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best camping stoves that offer reliability, efficiency, and portability. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a backcountry expedition, having the right stove can make all the difference. From compact designs to powerful burners, these options ensure hassle-free cooking in the great outdoors. Watch till the end to find the perfect camping stove for your next trip. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. At number 1, we have MSR WindBurner Stove. The MSR WindBurner Personal Windproof Camping and Backpacking Stove System is designed to perform well in outdoor conditions. It operates on isobutane fuel and is made of aluminum. The stove system is fuel-powered and has a compact structure with dimensions of 4.5 inches in length, 4.2 inches in width, and 7.1 inches in height. It is lightweight, weighing 0.43 kilograms, making it easy to carry for camping and backpacking trips. The design helps in maintaining steady performance even in windy or cold environments. It provides faster boiling times and improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional stoves. The system allows for easy storage by nesting all components inside the 1-liter pot, which can hold a separately sold 4-ounce fuel canister. Additionally, a full-size bowl can attach securely to the outside for added convenience. This stove system is compatible with 1-liter personal pots and optional 1.8-liter duo pots, along with other cookware in the WindBurner series. However, it is not suitable for use with the WindBurner stock pot or sauce pot. The 1-liter pot securely locks onto the stove and fuel canister, helping to prevent tipping and ensuring a more stable cooking experience. The package includes the WindBurner stove, a hard anodized aluminum 1-liter pot with a lid designed for both drinking and straining, and a half-liter integrated bowl. The materials used ensure durability while the design focuses on maximizing performance and efficiency. Whether for solo camping trips or outdoor adventures, this stove system offers a practical solution for cooking meals in different weather conditions. At number 2, we have Coleman Gas Stove. The Coleman Gas Camping Stove is designed for outdoor cooking with a structure that supports easy portability. It operates on propane fuel and is constructed from a blend of materials. The stove has dimensions of 13.7 inches in length, 4.1 inches in width, and 21.9 inches in height. Weighing 11.7 pounds, it is convenient to transport for different outdoor activities. This stove has a maximum energy output of 5,861.42 watts, providing effective heating for cooking meals. It is built with 2 burners that allow for cooking with a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan at the same time. The burners have adjustable settings, enabling users to control the temperature as needed for different meals. Designed for outdoor use, it includes panels that shield the burners from wind, ensuring that the flame remains stable. A pressure control system helps maintain consistent performance even in extreme conditions. This ensures reliable cooking whether in calm or challenging environments. The stove operates on a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, which is sold separately. It can run for up to 1 hour on high settings with a single propane cylinder. The lightweight structure makes it simple to carry, making it suitable for camping, beach cookouts, backyard barbecues, or tailgate parties. We believe that you like our best product. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which product you liked. At number 3, we have Solo Stove Lite. The Solo Stove Lite is designed for outdoor cooking with a structure that supports easy transport. It operates using wood as fuel and is constructed from stainless steel. The stove has dimensions of 5.12 inches in length, 5.12 inches in width, and 4.5 inches in height. Weighing 9.6 ounces, it is lightweight and suitable for camping, hiking, and survival situations. This stove features a unique double-wall structure that supports efficient combustion. The design enhances gasification and secondary burning, allowing fuel to burn more completely while reducing smoke. This structure helps create a cleaner and more efficient fire, making it suitable for outdoor use. The stove eliminates the need to buy liquid canister fuel or white gas, as it operates using twigs, leaves, and other natural materials found in the environment. This allows for a cost-effective cooking experience without the need for additional fuel expenses. Designed to be lightweight, the stove is easy to carry in a backpack. It can bring water to a boil in approximately 8 to 10 minutes, making it a reliable choice for quick meal preparation. The diameter measures 4.25 inches, and the height varies between 3.8 inches when packed and 5.7 inches when fully assembled. The compact structure allows it to nest inside the Solo Stovepot 900, which is not included. This design helps save space, making it easier to carry along with other essential outdoor gear. The stainless steel construction enhances durability, while the included nylon storage sack ensures convenient packing and transport for different outdoor adventures. At number 4, we have Eureka Ignite Portable 2. The Eureka Ignite Portable 2-burner propane camping stove is designed for outdoor cooking with a durable structure. It operates using liquefied petroleum gas and is built with thick-gauge steel. The stove has dimensions of 18.5 inches in length, 12.8 inches in width, and 4 inches in height. Weighing 10 pounds, it is easy to carry for outdoor adventures. This stove provides an energy output of 2,930.71 watts, making it suitable for preparing meals outdoors. It includes 2 burners, each delivering 10,000 British thermal units, allowing for effective temperature control. The adjustable simmer controls help manage the flame precisely, ranging from a low simmer to full heat. When operating at maximum flame, the stove can run for up to 90 minutes on a single canister. A push-button igniter simplifies the starting process, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. The stove is designed to fit 2 10-inch pans at the same time, making meal preparation more efficient. The stainless steel drip tray ensures a smooth cooking experience by resisting rust and allowing for easy cleaning. Constructed with thick-gauge steel, the stove is designed for durability and long-term use in outdoor settings. It is a reliable option for camping, survival situations, or emergency preparedness. The stove is also compatible with the JetLink system, allowing it to connect to other Eureka stoves. However, it must be placed at the end of the Link stove chain, as it cannot serve as the primary connection point. The design ensures flexibility in setting up a functional outdoor cooking station for different needs. At number 5, we have Snow Peak's Home and Camp Burner. The Snow Peak Home and Camp Burner is designed for both outdoor and indoor cooking with a compact and lightweight structure. It operates using liquefied petroleum gas and is constructed from aluminum, brass, resin, and rubber. The stove has dimensions of 1 inch in length, 1 inch in width, and 1 inch in height. Weighing 1.4 kilograms, it is easy to transport and store. This stove delivers a maximum energy output of 2,442.16 watts, making it a practical option for cooking in different environments. The design allows it to fold down for compact storage, providing convenience for those who need a space-saving solution. The sleek and modern appearance makes it a suitable addition to both camping gear and home kitchens. When fully opened, the dimensions measure 11.8 inches in length, 13.6 inches in width, and 4.72 inches in height. It weighs 3.52 pounds and requires A4CB butane fuel, which is available at most outdoor retailers. The unit provides a maximum output of 8,333 British thermal units, ensuring effective heating for meal preparation. We believe that you like our best product. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which product you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.